Hi, you are probably here because you are looking for an in-depth enhanced WriterZen review, so you are in the right place. In this WriterZen review, we are gonna run through exactly what is WriterZen, how much does WriterZen cost, how can WriterZen help you, pros and cons of WriterZen. This way you could decide if this platform is worth joining. Now, if you don't know what WriterZen is, it is a fantastic tool that can help increase your SEO rankings. This tool uses an artificial intelligence-powered algorithm that pulls data from Google's keyword suggestion database to generate keywords and topic ideas relevant to your website. And at the time of recording this video, there is still a deal on Appsumo for the lifetime deal. So for $69, you can get lifetime access to WriterZen. So you can go out and grab that deal from Appsumo. If it's not available, I will leave a link to the regular monthly plan in the description below. The features help you to reduce mistakes in content creation. The features are Keyword Explorer. The Keyword Explorer tool for WriterZen helps you research the keywords you want to rank for. Keyword Data. You get a list of all the keywords with columns of search volume, CPC, trend, and word count. Topic Discovery. Topic Discovery lets you discover the topics for your posts. It shows you various clusters that contain many headlines to consider. You can choose any based on relevancy. It also shows you Google suggested insights for questions, prepositions, and comparisons. You can choose the topic that is most relevant for your audience and is having a good search volume. It's quite very easy to add any headline to your existing or new keywords list. Keyword list is a convenient feature in WriterZen. You can easily group a couple of desired keywords and then add them to your existing or new keyword list. You can manage your keywords list in your profile. It is possible to delete them or add new ones anytime. Content Creator. The Content Creator tool of WriterZen helps you in fabricating the outline of your content as the first phase of content generation. Plagiarism Checker. The Plagiarism Checker tool is average. It warns you of plagiarism for all the exact words copied from other articles. But if change few words and alter the sentences, then it does not recognize plagiarism. The WriterZen offer two options, a free trial and paid membership. The free trial offers only a limited number of features and it's only valid for 7 days. For starting, the 7 days free trial plan helps you to get to know the tool in detail. I think this duration is more than enough for users to decide if they need to purchase the paid version. The paid plans on the other hand comes with a lot of amazing features and functionalities. There are two membership options available for selecting pricing, monthly and yearly. As the beginning plan, you are getting 5,000 AI words per month. That's nothing. I just want you guys to understand this. You are not getting a lot of AI writing, so you don't want to be buying this as an AI writer. So I just want you to know that you are buying WriterZen not because it's an AI writing software, even though they add this. They're just behind the 8 ball when it comes to how much they are offering. If you are buying this, it's because for SEO, topic planning, keyword clustering, and keyword research. That's why. If you choose the yearly plan, you will receive 30% discount. I recommend the monthly subscription. At least 2 months. This is to try it and make the right decision. Pros and cons of WriterZen. Pros. The interface is easy to use for beginners. Using this tool will assist you to writing high quality articles and blog posts that target the right keywords and audiences. It offers suggestions on what words to use, topics, and images to improve your article's quality. Cons. All the plans have some limits, and none of them have unlimited features. Content Creator not good. This tool of WriterZen needs improvement. No competitor analysis. WriterZen doesn't provide you with an analysis of how your competitors rank and the keywords used by them. No backlinks information. You cannot include backlinks using WriterZen. This can be manageable for beginners, but can be a major drawback for professional bloggers and content creators. When recording my reviews, I always like to take a look at what others think of the platform or services. On Trustpilot, WriterZen scores an average 4.8 out of 5. Positive reviews praise the excellent service and the fact that users get what they need for ease. On the negative side, reviewers complain that WriterZen changed conditions on the previous deal without asking for opinions. There are only 2 negative reviews. But yeah, this is very important to know. To conclude this WriterZen review, these tools features are user-friendly and provide their users with an easy way to get started with the platform. So before you invest your money in the premium version, you can try the free trial. After the trial, if you are satisfied with the quality of the WriterZen tool, then you can upgrade to the premium version. No credit card information is required to grab the free trial of WriterZen. So yeah, this is my honest review, and I'm sorry if I forget something in this review, but it's up to you to decide, are you gonna give this platform a shot or not? You can use my link in the description, that helps a lot, thank you so much. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, you can leave a like on the video, that helps me out in YouTube algorithm. Bye bye.